Welcome to Love 500 and welcome to the Love 500 how-to series. Today we show you how to take the rear seats out of a Pop. Okay, so this is a bench seat, so it's the one-piece seat. Now we've got 4 bolts, 2 here, 2 the other side. Depending on the angle they're at, depends on the best way of getting them out. I think this side, they're virtually straight. Oh! Knock the camera over. Yeah, this side they're virtually straight, so you can do it with the power wrench, but I think the other side you have to do it with a socket wrench. One there and one there. So we'll turn the camera around the other way and then we'll get a socket wrench and we'll do the other side. If you can see there, they're at an angle, they're facing sort of that way rather than that way. Which is a bit of a nuisance because obviously it takes you longer to get them out. I'll just get the wrench in. Right, so let's get these undone. They're quite tight. I don't think they come loose enough to do them with your fingers. No, they don't. So you have to, oh, blimey, that one's stiff. So you might be able to do it with just the bit, just the actual socket, the socket. Once you get it out a little bit, let's try that. Let's see if we can do that. No, it's still too stiff even for that. So, oh, that one's all right. That's that one out. And we need to go back onto the wrench to do the other one. That should be enough now, I think. There we go. Okay, so being a bench seat, that's all you have to do to get this one out. That will now lift out. If that was the split rear 60/40, in the middle you've got a bracket, so you've got like a cotton reel where the 2 seats join together, and that cotton reel fits over another bracket which is part of the seat, the bar, the seat rail. You can see there the one end of the seat rail and the other end of the seat rail down there. So the seat rails are different if you've got a bench seat than if you've got the split fold seats. Actually they're not 60/40, are they? They're 50/50. So that's got a torque screw on the top, quite a big torque screw on the top, so you have to release the flap and then the whole thing lifts out. But this is the easier one of the two. I think the camera's going to be in the way now. There you go. As you can see, that's now loose, so I'm going to have to get the camera out of the way just to get it out, and then we'll go around and we'll take the bench seat out as well, the actual bit you sit on, the cushion. Okay, so we can use the gun on this. Again, we've got 2 bolts, one either side, and then it just lifts away. So that one like that. And we'll see if we can move the camera over to there. Not a lot of room here. Down there, you see it. It's in the same place, so. Okay, so I've got both of these bolts out, and then that just pulls away, and that's it. Excuse the shaky camera work. My microphone wire is getting caught around the seat. So that's it. So that's basically how you remove a Fiat 500 rear seat. As I mentioned, the seat bar, as you can see, this seat bar is held on by a couple of bolts and then a couple of big Torx screws, which are often difficult to get out, and often you round those off. But that's it basically. So 6 bolts in total and the whole lot comes out. That's it. So that is the brief video of how to remove a bench seat out of a Fiat 500. So thanks for watching. Bit of a mishmash of a video this one, but hopefully it showed you how to do it if you didn't know. There is another video of how to remove the front seats, which I'll link to that in this video here. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you need to know how to do anything else on a Fiat 500, have a look at our playlist of how-to series videos, and you might find something that might prove useful to you. So again, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up as well. That really helps our channel grow. And take care. Speak soon.